Imagine a feast of unimaginable proportions. Picture galaxies, vast islands of stars, gas and dust, locked in a gravitational ballet. Now, envision one galaxy, driven by an insatiable hunger, slowly devouring another. This is galactic cannibalism, a cosmic phenomenon as awe-inspiring as it is destructive. In the vast expanse of the universe, galaxies are not content to simply exist. They are dynamic entities, constantly moving and interacting with their surroundings. This cosmic dance can lead to spectacular collisions, with entire galaxies consumed in a breathtaking display of cosmic power. These galactic mergers are not merely destructive events but also crucial to the evolution of the universe, shaping galaxies like our own Milky Way into the majestic structures we observe today. Galactic cannibalism occurs when a larger galaxy, driven by its immense gravitational pull, captures and consumes a smaller galaxy. This process is a slow and drawn-out affair, often taking billions of years to unfold. As the two galaxies draw closer, their gravitational fields begin to interact, distorting their shapes and creating long, luminous streams of stars and gas known as tidal tails. The smaller galaxy is gradually pulled apart, its stars, gas and dust becoming incorporated into the larger galaxy. This process can trigger intense bursts of star formation as the infalling gas and dust collide and compress, igniting new stellar nurseries. Over time, the smaller galaxy is completely absorbed, leaving behind only faint remnants of its former self. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is no stranger to galactic cannibalism. In fact, it has a long and storied history of consuming its smaller neighbors. Astronomers have discovered evidence of past mergers in the form of stellar streams, faint remnants of dwarf galaxies that were torn apart and absorbed by the Milky Way long ago. These mergers have played a crucial role in shaping our galaxy into the majestic spiral we see today. The Milky Way's halo, a vast, diffuse region surrounding the galactic disk, is thought to be populated by stars stripped from dwarf galaxies that were consumed over billions of years. These past acts of galactic cannibalism have not only enriched the Milky Way, but have also provided astronomers with valuable insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies. While the Milky Way has a history of consuming smaller galaxies, it is about to face its own galactic reckoning. Our nearest large galactic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy, is hurtling towards us at a speed of approximately 250,000 miles per hour. This cosmic collision course is set to culminate in a spectacular merger in about 4 billion years. As Andromeda draws closer, its gravitational pull will begin to distort the Milky Way's shape. The two galaxies will engage in a complex gravitational dance, their spiral arms intertwining and stretching as they pass through each other. This initial encounter will trigger intense bursts of star formation, lighting up the night sky with a dazzling display of celestial fireworks. Section 5, Earth's Fate, a surprisingly safe haven. The thought of two galaxies colliding might conjure images of catastrophic destruction, with stars colliding and planets ripped from their orbits. However, the reality is likely to be far less dramatic, at least for our solar system. The vast distances between stars mean that direct collisions are highly unlikely. Instead, the Sun and its planets will likely be flung into new orbits around the merged galaxy. While this cosmic relocation might disrupt the Oort cloud, a distant reservoir of icy bodies surrounding our solar system, it is unlikely to pose a direct threat to Earth. In fact, the night sky during the merger will be a breathtaking spectacle, with the stars of Andromeda weaving through the Milky Way's familiar constellations. Section 6, Milkomeda rises, a new galactic giant. The merger between the Milky Way and Andromeda will create a new, even larger galaxy, often dubbed Milkomeda. This cosmic union will result in a massive elliptical galaxy, its core ablaze with the light of billions of stars. The spiral structure of both galaxies will be destroyed, replaced by a smoother, more spheroidal shape. Milkomeda will be a true behemoth, a testament to the power of gravity and the dynamic nature of the universe. This new galactic giant will continue to evolve over billions of years, potentially consuming other nearby galaxies and adding to its already impressive mass. Section 7, the universe's long dinner party, mergers on a grand scale. The merger between the Milky Way and Andromeda is just one example of the countless galactic mergers happening throughout the universe. These events are not isolated incidents but rather an integral part of the universe's grand evolution. Over billions of years, Galaxies are drawn together by their mutual gravity, forming clusters and superclusters. Within these cosmic structures, mergers are commonplace, shaping and reshaping galaxies over eons. These mergers play a crucial role in the distribution of matter and energy throughout the universe, influencing the formation of stars, planets, and even life itself. Section 8: The Ultimate Fate of the Universe, From Feast to Famine. As galaxies continue to merge and grow, the universe itself is expanding, driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. This expansion is causing galaxies to drift apart, making future mergers less likely. Some cosmologists believe that this expansion will eventually lead to a big freeze, where the universe becomes increasingly cold, dark, and empty. In this scenario, galactic cannibalism will become a distant memory, a relic of a more active and dynamic era in the universe's history. The once bright galaxies will fade into obscurity, their stars slowly burning out, leaving behind a vast and desolate cosmic graveyard. Section 9: A Dance of Destruction and Creation, Our Place in the Cosmic Ballet. Galactic cannibalism is a stark reminder of the immense forces at play in the universe. It is a process of both destruction and creation, shaping galaxies and driving the evolution of the cosmos. While the eventual merger between the Milky Way and Andromeda might seem like a distant event, it highlights the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. As we gaze up at the night sky, we are witnessing a cosmic ballet, a grand dance of galaxies, stars, and planets. We are part of this dance, our own existence intertwined with the fate of our galaxy and the universe itself. Let us marvel at the beauty and wonder of this cosmic spectacle, for it is a story that continues to unfold, driven by the relentless forces of gravity and the passage of time.